Hi besties, your girl Tomilola is back again. See this hairstyle now, it's so simple yet so beautiful. So the first thing we're going to do to make this lovely hairstyle is to part the hair from the middle down, because we're making a low bone ponytail. So once you part it into half from the front, you go to the back and then you section where you're going to have the bun. So this hairstyle is very easy to make, and it is not only for adults. You can also make it on your daughter as well. Now, my besties, thank you so much for always tuning into this channel. I appreciate you all. And if this is your first time on this channel, you are highly welcome. Thank you for clicking the video and watching. But I'll appreciate you if you can please subscribe to this channel. I would so appreciate it. So once you're done sectioning the hair, it is time for you to braid it. Let me leave you guys to watch the video, as it is very self-explanatory. But everything I used in this video will be at the description box, so please check it out. I'll be right back. Here is my Afro Bun. You can buy it at your local hair store or from online hair vendors. So I noticed that a lot of us have this hair bun, but we don't like styling our hair before using it. We just pack our hair into a pony and attach the bun. Well, I don't blame us. I understand. Who likes stress? No one will. But we have to switch it up sometimes, and that is why I came up with this video. So this is the end results. You can take the bun out when you want to sleep and attach it again by morning, and you're good to go. Yes, so that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you're yet to subscribe, please subscribe to this channel. I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for being there for me. I love you guys. Mwah.